In our previous video, we explored types 1 and 2 of optative sentences in direct and indirect speech. Now, let's dive into types 3 and 4, which are just as interesting and important. Let's start with type 3. When we have a phrase like good morning in the reported speech, we change the reporting verb said to wished. For example, if someone says to the teacher, good morning, in reported speech, we would say, he wished the teacher good morning. It's crucial to note that for wishing phrases like good morning, good night, and goodbye, we do not use a conjunction. This is a key point to remember, as it simplifies the transformation from direct to indirect speech. Now, moving on to type 4. This type deals with phrases like goodbye or good night. Here, we change the reporting verb said to bade. For instance, if someone says, good night, my brother, we report it as she bade her brother good night. Similarly, if someone says, goodbye, my friends, we would report it as he bade goodbye to his friends. This change not only reflects the sentiment of the farewell, but also maintains the formal tone that these phrases often carry. Both types emphasize the importance of the context in which these phrases are used. They highlight how we convey wishes and farewells in a more nuanced way when shifting from direct to indirect speech. Understanding these transformations helps us communicate more effectively and accurately, especially in written forms. So, remember, when you encounter greetings or farewells in reported speech, think about how you can elegantly change the reporting verbs to reflect the sentiment behind the words. This will not only enhance your grammar skills, but also enrich your overall communication. Keep practicing these transformations, and soon they'll become second nature.